Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make a grid in Photoshop. So first step you need to do is to open Photoshop, click on File and click on New. You can use a shortcut Control plus N as well and select any of the available options. You can create for your own. So I'm going to select this one to show you. Then you simply need to click on Create. So let me make it a bigger. Okay. Then you simply need to click on. If you want, you can unlock the layer, click on view, click on show and click on create. Because it is a shot, it is too much small. That's why it is not showing clearly. So let me select a big one. Okay. So we are going to select this one. For example, click on create and here you can see grid. So this is a simple process that you need to follow to make a grid in Photoshop. I hope you like this video. Must subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.